At Walibi Holland, and this weekend Joy premieres. The first single rail coasters in the Netherlands and even in the Benelux. We'll try both and tell you what we think about these new coasters. Hi, my name is Joost from Dutch Theme Park Network. Let's dive in. First of all, where is Joy located in the park? Joy is on a new part of the park that we can enter for the first time. It's next to the Condor in front of Goliath. There are two ways to reach this area. The first one is to walk up to the Condor and there is a small path to the left. But also you can walk up to Goliath and there's a path going into the same area. This is a major improvement for Walibi because now for the first time you can walk a complete round through the park. In the old days Goliath was in a dead end and you have to walk all the way back to Eat My Dust to come back in the center of the park. Now Joy makes the circle complete and is a real contribution to the routing in the park. Some statistics about Joy. These coasters are built by RMC. Both coasters are 29 meters high and the first drop of both sides is 27 meters. We'll start with the chill side, the blue side. This goes 80 kilometers per hour and there are no inversions in the track. The thrill side is the green one and it goes a little bit faster, 82 kilometers per hour, and there are 6 inversions in this track. The coasters are built to be dueling, but due to technical problems it can be that only one side is operating. Walibi sees this as two separate coasters who do intertwine, and especially this intertwine is really great while you're riding and you have near misses and meet up with the other coasters. It's a fun addition to the park. Which one do you have to ride first? Well, we advise first ride chill and then head over to thrill, if you dare. I'm not sure if I would do chill again if I'm back in the park, but thrill is definitely worth riding and definitely worth the wait. Joy isn't suitable for everybody type, but on the right side of the entrance there is a test seat that you can try, and they really did a good job. They hide it in this little area and isn't visible to every visitor. I walked the path my first time and I completely missed that there was a test seat. Just sit down, pull down the bar, and then if the green light goes up, you are able to ride Joy. As you can see, you only have a lap bar and there are belts going over your shoulder. The way you sit in this train, well, it isn't the most comfortable because, of course, the rail has to go underneath you. And it makes that you are sitting like you have X legs. And that isn't the most comfortable position to ride a roller coaster. Then theming. Well, there is some loose theming about nature and that's really weird because this is part of exotic and you would say that this kind of nature theme suits wilderness better. The two tracks are themed after plants and water. It's loosely visible in the queue. There is some wood construction in the thrill ride and there is a part where they try to create an underwater vibe in the chill side. The greenery is really young. You can see it's planted just a couple of weeks ago. But what I think that is a real miss is that there is no greenery underneath the actual tracks. There are no plants, no trees, nothing there. they paid attention to the queue, but not to the area of the coaster itself. Last year we made a video ranking all coasters in Walibi Holland, and that makes you think, how does Joy rank? Well, let's start with the chill side, the blue side. It would be ranked as my new number 6, just above Speed of Sound, because I really don't like boomerang roller coasters, but well, just beneath Platform X, because well, you have to love Iron Man coaster and Rock and Roller Coaster, even if it's outdoors. The thrill side ranks on my new 4th spot, right above Platform X, but just before Goliath. So both editions are really great to the park, but these aren't the best coasters in the park. Untamed is still my number 1. The opening of Joy means also adding some facilities to the park. There is a new restaurant, Flavors. This is a coffee bar where you can get several kind of cakes and grilled cheeses. There are also some new toilets added. And remarkable, these are gender neutral. You can choose, do you want to go to the thrill or the chill side, but no gender. Walibi loves to sell add-ons like fast passes, and they even invented something brand new for Joy, the Joy Guarantee. You can purchase a guaranteed access to Joy, only €2.50, and you are sure you will be able to ride this coaster. But please don't purchase this one. The queues are only 30 minutes per ride, so really doable, and that on the 2nd day of operations. So you can imagine that in a couple of months, this would be almost walk on. Don't buy fast passes unless it is really crowded in the park. And that's all there is to tell about Joy. Which of the coasters do you prefer? Chill or thrill? Let us know down in the comments. And don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel. And do you really want to help us out? Head over to patreon.com/Dutch Theme Park Network and select the tier that suits you best. We hope to see you in the next video. See ya!